Conceived, designed and managed by doctors, the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences stands true to its vision to be one of the most trusted healthcare facilities in the country. Driven by compassion and the highest quality patient care. Founded by India's leading surgeon, visionary and educator Dr. N.K. Pandey, a recipient of Padma Shri and Dr. B.C. Roy Award, the hospital has set new standards in the field of medicine. Its proficiency and quality is accredited by NABH and NABL, the highest benchmark for hospital quality in India. In a short span of time, the hospital has emerged as one of the foremost healthcare facilities of the country. Today, it is rated amongst the top 10 super specialty hospitals of the National Capital Region. Through its commitment to quality patient care and its unparalleled teamwork.
We had 100% commitment from our specialists, from our consultants, from our directors. They all are dedicated and they are dedicated to serve the people.
A 350-bedded super specialty hospital, the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences provides comprehensive, multi-speciality tertiary care facilities through its 12 centers of excellence. The hospital offers comprehensive care in oncology, neurosciences, cardiac, renal care, and other medical emergencies. It houses a dedicated round-the-clock emergency and trauma center with fully equipped ambulance services, providing prompt care when the patient needs it the most. The Asian Cancer Center offers end-to-end services, from prevention, early detection to comprehensive treatment and palliative care. The first hospital in North India to deploy the Varian's Rapid Arc on a Trilogy system along with several high-end equipments such as PET-CT, dual-head gamma camera and HDR brachytherapy among others. Today, the centre has become a preferred choice for patients across India and neighbouring countries, including the Middle East and Africa. The Asian Heart Centre provides comprehensive cardiac care, including non-invasive, interventional and surgical facilities. The hospital runs the most advanced cardiothoracic vascular surgery program, including bypass, open heart and valvular heart surgery. The centre is equipped with the most advanced cath lab for angiography and angioplasties. The Asian Centre for Advanced Surgery is manned by highly skilled surgeons fitted with ultra-modern surgical and diagnostic tools and can tackle the most complicated surgical procedures. The 11 modular operation theatres are equipped with all contemporary features and best-in-class infection control protocols. The Asian Centre for Neurology and Neurosurgery offers minimal invasive treatments. From life-saving intervention for acute brain trauma to skillful management of chronic illnesses, the centre has conducted over 1,000 operations of neurosurgery in the past few years. The Asian Centre for Renal Diseases and Kidney Transplant prides itself with state-of-the-art dialysis unit which offers customized care for all its patients. The centre offers excellent care for all urological conditions such as kidney stones, prostate, laparoscopic urology and uro-oncology. It has to its credit the largest number of successful kidney transplants within the shortest span of time, with 0% rejection rate till date. The Asian Centre for Bone and Joints offers one of the most comprehensive treatments of bone and joint ailments. The high-end and innovative technologies in the Asian Centre for Advanced Imaging gives patients access to a reliable and intensive diagnosis. The Asian Centre for Gastroenterology is a state-of-the-art facility providing excellent diagnostic and curative facilities in gastrointestinal problems. The Asian Centre for Mother and Child is an integrated unit providing excellent care for pre- and postnatal care, including high-risk deliveries. Over 1,000 deliveries are handled here annually, with the lowest infection and highest survival rate in the National Capital Region. The centre is also equipped with the latest IVF facility to fulfill the dreams of parenthood by bringing world-class assisted reproductive techniques. Catering to lakhs of patients annually, the services at the hospital are tailored to suit each patient's needs without making any compromise to its core values of quality care. This extraordinary customer satisfaction has also attracted international patients looking for world-class facilities at an affordable price. With a dedicated team for visa assistance, boarding, and even translation services, every effort is made easing patients and their families to healthcare in India and help them feel at home. After the huge success of the hospital, the Asian Institute of Medical Sciences has expanded to South Delhi with the opening of Asian Clinic, a premium super speciality clinic. The clinic provides premium facilities offering the fastest health check program in the city for corporates and individuals.
We are very proud. It's basically based on how dedicated our staff is, how skilled our manpower is, how skilled our consultants are, and how we are empathic towards the patient.
At Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, the belief is that a combination of service with empathy and compassion, world-class facilities and a team of dedicated doctors can create a holistic environment for the patient, a place where they feel safe and cared for. A patient-centric healthcare centre accessible by all to build strong foundations of the country.